Hi dears, welcome to Sri Vidya Mandir channel. Today we discuss about the lesson Accidental Tourist 11th Unit 6, that is written by Bill Bryson. Bill Bryson, he was born in USA and he was a resident of UK for a long time. He served as a Chancellor of Durham University from 2005 to 2011. His name was William M.C. Coyer Bryson. William M.C. Coyer Bryson. But readers know the name Bill Bryson. He came to prominence in UK after the publication of Notes from a Small Island in 1995. He received widespread recognition again with the publication of the book A Short History of Nearly Everything in 2003. Dears, every day we have a lot of topic. Today we have a topic, the accidental tourist. Very amusing story. This is from 6th unit. This story is a real account of author's life. He reflects humorously his experience as a traveler. Do you know the importance of language? Not only English and also Tamil or the other languages. What is the important? Do you know? We can build our imagination. We can build our own imagination. That is the very important functions of a language. Would other people also assign the same value? While we read the title, we can imagine something. Here the title, The Accidental Tourist, that is also plays here the two meaning of the word, this accident. Accident word plays two meanings. Accidents means chance happening. Accidents means chance happening. For example, nowadays we didn't meet our teachers. Suddenly you met a teacher means we can say she met her teacher by accidentally. And also I got this job by accidentally. So accidentally means chance happening. But mostly we used the word accident means unpleasant events. For example, road accident, we need to use the word road accident, but accident means we often used the unpleasant events. Here, the accidental tourist, the word means he travels by chance or an unexpected events. And the tourist meets with accidents while traveling by plane. Here, the amusing accidents are, see some example. Bryson tried to open his bag. Our author tried to open his bag. The zip was jammed. Finally, he gave away and he slashed his fingers on the zip. Slashed means gashed. So cut deeply. And it started bleeding profusely. Profusely means large amount. And another one amusing event, the accident. Bryson got himself in a grass position when he leaned to tie his shoelace on a flight. On a flight or in a flight. See the preposition on a flight or in a flight. On a flight. I am in a bus. In a bus is wrong. On a bus. I am in a train. Is it correct sentence? No. I am on a train. I am in a ship. No. I am on a ship. Okay. I am in a car. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. On a car? Wrong. I am in an auto. Is it correct or wrong? Correct only. So what is the difference here? You can use on a bus, but you must say I am in a car. The vehicles we can move inside means we must use on, the preposition on. For example, I am on a bike. Here that is the open space we can move. So here we must use I am on a bike. I am on a bicycle. That is the open space. So we must use on. So the vehicle side we can move inside means we must use on. We can't walk inside means. So why here I am in a car? Because we can't walk inside the car or auto. So we must use in a car, in an auto.
Let us see the glossary of this lesson. Alley, a narrow passage. Alley meaning a narrow passage. In family. That's a French language meaning as a family. Yawned. Yawned meaning pulled up with a jerk. Antonyms: bushed. Consternation meaning worry. Extravagantly meaning excessively. Antonyms: moderately. Cascade, waterfall. Cascade meaning waterfall. Antonyms: drought. Concourse, the open central area in public building. Antonyms: portion, one portion. Disgorging, discharging. Disgorging meaning discharging. Antonyms: retaining. Gashed, meaning cut deeply. Antonyms: healed. Hysterics, hysterics meaning a fit of uncontrollable laughing or crying. Antonyms: calm or control. Exasperation meaning irritation. Exasperation meaning irritation. Antonyms: comfort. Catastrophe, a terrible disaster. Catastrophe meaning a terrible disaster. Antonyms: good fortune. Bon mots, this word also from French language meaning witty remarks. Antonyms: serious. Suave meaning polite and sophisticated. Antonyms: awkward or clumsy. Venerable meaning valued. Antonyms: unrespected.
Let us see the amusing story about how our author faces chaos in his everyday life. Chaos means confusion. Chaos means confusion. So first, our author Bryson's confusion first we need to see. The narrator describes his experience on a tour. He used to be confused a person always, our narrator. One day, he asked to search for a lavatory in cinema theatre. Lavatory means a restroom. Finally, he is standing on the wrong side of the self-locking door. Means he confused which side bush and bull. So he confused, that is the amusing. And another one event. Our author very often forget his room number of the hotel where he staying. He confused more time his staying room. Finally, he asked to the receptionist. And another one funniest thing he had happened when he was flying to England for a week with his family. That time, at Easter time, there only he remembered that he had the frequent flyer card. And then, which was in his bag, he wanted to search his bag. That time only the bag zip of that one got jammed. So he pulled it with all his might, and abruptly the side of the bag flew open. That bag contents what are that and all know, the newspaper cuttings and small newspapers, and a tin of pipe tobacco, then passport, then English currency mix coins and film. This and all the contents scattered all over on the floor, scattered or strewn all over the floor. First he shouted, my tobacco. Then he cried, my finger, because his finger got in the zip and he began to bleed. He never bothered about flow of blood when it was for others. But now he was there in panic mood and felt like crying in an uncontrollable manner. And another one occasion, when he leaned to tie his shoelace, now this incident all on the flight only, the passenger in the front row, he reclined in his seat, means comfortable to sit in his seat. Our narrator at the time to tie his shoelace, so his head went into a crashing position. Then our narrator heard the leg of the next man and freed himself. And another one worst experience on the flight. Now we are seeing all the experience and all on the flight only. When he was engaged in a conversation with an attractive lady sitting by his side, he was noting down all his thoughts, talking to the lady only. His pen began to leak. His mouth, teeth, chin, tongue, everything were painted with ink. But he did not know that. That is remained for several days. His co-travelers were impressed. He went to washroom and found out how his leaking pen made his face very awkward. Bryson wishes to be polite, but he suffers or makes others suffer. He wished to avoid to rise from the dinner table with shaggy movement. Shaggy movement means if an earthquake had cured that leg, to close the door of the car with 14 inches of his coat outside. Often he traveled the car at the time and all outside the car only. And also another one to sit on the chewing gum or ice cream or cough syrup or motor oil and stain his trousers. But it is not to be. So our author wished to avoid these things and all. When travel with the family, the food is delivered, his wife would ask to the children to take the lid of the food for bill or wear their cover on their heads. His wife often asked to their children. Because as their father was going to eat, that funny incident also in his family happened. Because he gets knocked down badly either by fat or by his own fault. This incident and all on the flight with his family and family. So before we saw all the confused, what are the things and all they confused. Next with the flight on his family. Next we want to see the frequent flyer program. He never did his frequent flyer miles because he could not find the cord in time. Everyone is forever flying off to this collect the point and they travel to Pali Island with their air miles. He must fly 1 lakh per year, but he had accumulated only about 212 miles only, air miles only. That is also divided between 23 airlines. Actually, frequent flyer can get their point and record it. Means that the company they give the card to that and they measure the distance and give the point to the card. Now author often he forgot to bring the card in that particular time. So he did not have many air miles to his credit card. There also another one incident for this frequent flyer card on January on a flight to Australia. A flight for which he has going to about zillion air miles. Zillion air miles means innumberable or uncountable. When he presented to the card to the card to clerk, she shook her head and told him that he was not entitled to it. She said it was not insured because the ticket was in the name of B. Bryson. The name of B. Bryson. B. Bryson. The ticket is in the name of B. Bryson. And the card was in the name of W. Bryson. The ticket he insured B. Bryson, but the card in the name of W. Bryson. He explained to her the close and vulnerable relations between the Bill and William, because his name William only. She didn't have it, so Bill didn't get his air miles. See, mind can be trained to overcome such shortcomings. In this amusing story, we come to know that Bryson often forget the room number of his stay. So a person like him can tackle such a situation by noting down the important dates and numbers and their schedule in their diary. Nothing is difficult. If we practice doing the above said ideas, naturally he can overcome his shortcomings to great extent. So accidents can be rectified if there is no confusion. So dear children, I think you can understood this story. Based on your understanding of this story, write a paragraph about to this day. I don't know how I did it. What does it refer to? Okay, thank you everyone.